Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're doing rear speaker replacements on the hatch of a 5th Gen 4Runner. In this install, we're going to show you how to remove this panel here, remove the factory 6.5s, reinstall new speakers, and get everything reassembled. Let's get started. Provo Beast Audio Installation channel is sponsored by NVX and Sonic Electronics. Get 10% off all speakers, amplifiers, wiring kits, and more with coupon code PBAI at NVX. Also get 5% off all car audio components at Sonic Electronics with coupon code ProvoBeast. Alright, so we went ahead and got our speaker mounted in the bracket that it actually came with. We're using these NVX V Series 6.5-inch speakers. This coaxial set comes with these mounting brackets, which we are going to use in this application. We also picked up some Metro Toyota wiring harnesses. Now I'll post in the description a link to these, the part number, so you can pick these up. These are nice because they're plug and play. You hook them into the terminals, and this end plugs into the factory harness. So we're going to get these bolted up. Now, one of the bolt locations actually is just a little too short, so it doesn't fit perfectly, but we're going to do our best here. We do also have a self tapper and a washer that we're going to use for the end that doesn't fit the factory mounting location. So let's get this mounted. Okay, so we got our speaker bolted up. These two top ones fit our little adapter here, but the bottom one was just a hair too short, so we used the washer and a self tapper and made our own mount. And that speaker wiring harness fits. It goes up through there. There's just a small gap. It's not a perfect fit, but it's all right. We have an 8-inch sub, so we're not going to miss a whole lot of mid bass here. It's also in the back hatch, so I'm not too worried about that. But everything's wired up and zip tied. We're ready to go. We got the other side done as well. Ready to go. Be sure to test them. Make sure your speakers clear the actuator and the lift for the back window. You don't want it hitting the magnet. We've done it and it clears just fine. At this point, let's get the cover back on and do a final test. Alright, we've got the panel all back together. Got our harnesses all hooked up. We got our strap all bolted back in. We did a test. It sounds great. That's about it. If you have any questions on this install, go ahead and post a comment below. Thanks guys for watching the channel. Appreciate the support, and we'll see you in the next video.